Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. Today we'll be looking at the all-new Solex by Blix. Comfort e-style e-bike that is actually a unique one because it features an automatic shifter. That's right, it has an 8 gearbox system with an automatic shifting capability as well as an electronic shifter, allowing you to use it manually just by a click of a button. Now it's got all the bells and whistles that you would want, being both a class 2 and a class 3 e-bike with over 70 miles range, making it perfect for your day-to-day commute. Now together we'll be unboxing it, trying it out, and seeing exactly if my wife in fact likes this bike. So if you guys want to learn more about them, check out the link down below in the description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and rewind and unbox this thing. So unboxing it was quite simple. Everything was laid out nicely. The moment you open it up, it is already ready to go. Simply hooking up the handlebar as well as the front wheel was the only hard part. Besides that, once you charge it, it literally is a plug-and-play or essentially an RTR or ready-to-ride vehicle. Now this is how it looks out in the light, and I have to say this color is absolutely phenomenal. Definitely has a nice shade to it. Now they do have different variations based on what you're looking for, but they're all similar in design. Now on the back side here, you have this nice little handle. So this can go ahead and support a good amount of weight, so you can technically adapt to it. It's got that modular design. You'll notice that there's different spokes on here, allowing you to go ahead and screw into it. And it's actually got a good sturdiness to it. Now this features both a front and rear fender, so you don't have to worry about anything getting in there. And of course it has a really unique looking taillight. Now I haven't seen this before, but this is actually integrated into the bar. And this has a turn signal built into it as well as a brake light and of course daytime running lights. Now again, as mentioned, an 8 gearbox system. From the normal looking eye, it does look like a traditional 8 gearbox system, but in fact this here is electronic. And this is the first time I've ever seen that. So it'll automatically shift with a click of a button, or if you're in auto mode, it will adjust based on your speed. Now it does have a nice shin guard over here as well, so you don't have to worry about the belt getting stuck into your pants. And then it has the battery that is actually modular in the sense that you can remove it and then use it as a basic bike. This here is going to be our charger port. And then it does have the adapter to go ahead and place something over here, be it a water bottle or some kind of accessory. Now this here is a nice wide cushion, designed obviously for females, but again, gives you that nice amount of space so you do feel comfortable while riding. Now it has the open leg design, so it makes it a lot more easier to kind of hop on. You don't have to really kick your leg up to get onto it. Now looking at the handlebar, so this has a curved handlebar system, allowing you to have a nice comfort riding, especially if you're a little bit shorter, making it easier to reach. On the right side here, you'll see your different light options, your turn signal, and even your horn. Over here, you have a nice intelligent screen. Simply holding the power button on the left side will go ahead and engage that. You'll hear the startup sound, and then it'll have the different modes. Right now we're in auto mode. However, if we switch it over, we have eco, tour, turbo, and off, giving you the manual power. Now it does have an app integration system, so you can download the app, allowing you to have full control over it, where you can choose based on which option you like. And then on top of that, you can unlock different speeds. Moving on the left side here, you have your manual gearbox system. So you can actually switch gears just like this. Or if you're in auto mode, you can hold plus, and then this will go ahead and engage the auto shifting system. So as you ride it, it will automatically continue to shift. Now you have your manual button on the bottom here. So this will allow you to go and switch between the different modes. And it's actually color indicated over here between yellow, green, blue, red, and white. Now, of course, you have your front and rear disc brakes, both of which are actually fully adjustable with the turn of a knob. And then, of course, you have your headlight on the front. So all in all, it is a really quality looking bike. And then, of course, forgot to mention that you have these nice all-terrain tires, allowing you to go ahead and ride it basically just about anywhere, from off-road or just on the streets. It's designed for just about anyone. So with that said, let's go ahead and hop on this thing next and try it out. But what did you think of the bike?
I really liked it. It was very comfortable. I really like the handle, and I like how it automatically lets you shift gears. That was very convenient because usually I have problems doing that where it doesn't adjust right away, but it adjusts very quickly, so I love that. I like the indicators. I like how there's a front light and a back light, but overall it was a great bike. It looks so aesthetic, and I'm so excited to ride it.
All right, so this is a quick little nighttime demo to show you how bright this light is. And surprisingly, it's actually pretty good. So you got two different stages of brightness. This is off, this is high beam, and this is low beam. So based on what you want, it's really up to you. And of course, you can go ahead and move that up and down. And again, it's really fully adjustable. And yeah, at night, definitely really good. All right, well, there you guys have it. Overall, it is a great bike. Definitely if you're looking for someone that is a female, that is looking for a nice, comfortable e-bike, this is the way to go. Get all the bells and whistles, and of course with the automatic shifting gear system, it makes things a lot more easier, especially when it comes to the user. Having to shift gears does seem quite complicated, and being the first time I've ever seen anything like this definitely sets the bar high in terms of technology. Now, with that said, if you guys had any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.